Alright, so here we got a few units. First off, we got Train XR. This one has an Alliance scroll compressor. Two-ton. There's an older XR. Really good condition logo. It's an XR14. 2 swept blades, climate recent. This one is from 08. 2-ton. There's an XB13, this one has a reset. 2011 climate reset. Back when Train actually built their own compressors. There's a Lennox Merit that was just installed and replaced a pile of quiet comfort. It's very cramped in here. Ooh, it's got 2 blades. That's unique. Don't see that on Merits often. Holy shit. That is. It is a Copeland scroll compressor. 2-bladed Lennox Merit. That's unique. Never seen that before. It's from 2023 and it's a 2-ton. I think it's been running. Actually, yes, it has. Here's a Gibson unit. Early 2000s. This one, Copeland, reciprocating compressor. Focus, 2003. 2.5 ton. Okay, I should have the data sheet anymore. 03, 2.5 ton. There's a brand new good one that was also just installed. This one has a rotary compressor. Probably a Recce. Yeah, 2023 2-ton. I never thought I would see a Lennox Merit with 2 blades. It's actually kind of crazy. What do you know? That one kicked on video. Yeah.